living my best life, freaking thriving. Hey guys, I'm sorry if this angle absolutely sucks, but I work with what I got. So I've been in LA for about 2 weeks now, and I'd say that I have a pretty set schedule now for how my days go. So I figured, you know, a day in my life here is totally different than a day in my life back in Boston. So I would show you, you know, a day in my life LA edition. For those who are going to ask if I moved out here, not yet. I do have a living situation lined up for me in a few months out here, so that's exciting. Finally gonna be making the big move. But in the meanwhile, I've been here. I've been doing some stuff for YouTube. Some, you know, big things coming. Hopefully you guys will be hearing about them soon, but it's all, you know, a bunch of stuff in the works. But it's been a lot of stuff for the channel, some apartment hunting, that kind of thing. So, not living out here yet, but I got a place lined up to be out here soon, which is so exciting, guys. Like, you know how long I've been wanting this for. Also, I apologize on behalf of my hair. I don't know what it's doing. It's been doing something weird since I got out here. Welcome to Day in My Life LA edition. So after I'd get dressed and do my makeup, I would immediately take my laptop outside and I'd start working on editing videos, answering emails, all that work stuff, until I decided I was too tired and I needed a coffee. I'd always end up at Alfred's for my matcha latte with oat milk, of course. So we went to get lunch. We went to Dupar's down the Grove. So now we're just here, and I brought Katie to my favorite store. Katie, tell them what you said to me.
Never been to Topshop. Never even heard of Topshop. She had a little heart attack there. It was interesting.
Understatement. I'm like, how have you never been to Topshop? My actual favorite store? Like, are we joking? So I dragged her butt to Topshop, and I'm like freezing too. I think I'm about to put on my jacket, which, fun fact guys, guess where it's from? Katie?
Topshop.
Yep. We are finally caffeinated, even though, look at how tiny this looks.
Yeah, like, she's not the only one up to get one down to regular, and then that baby cup back.
So they gave me a baby cup for my cold brew, which is fine, but like, I don't know guys. I don't know. I would like more cold brew than a baby cup. There's a puppy, and all I want to do is pet it, and it looks like Izzy, and all I want to do is love that puppy. Anyways, in like an hour, I don't know, a little less than an hour now. I don't know if you guys know Caitlyn Rae. She's another Boston-based YouTuber. She's actually here right now as well. She's doing a meetup. We're gonna go and support because Boston girls gotta support each other. Especially Boston girls in LA have got to support each other. And yeah, that's pretty much our plan for the day. Just a bunch of shopping. I brought her into Brandy Melville for the first time. Tell them what you said when you saw that there was a Brandy here.
I thought they were only at PacSun.
I felt so betrayed. I had so many problems with that statement. But no, we've just low-key done some shopping. Debated bring her to the American Girl doll store.
Oh my God.
Do you know how badly I want to get one for Ave? Like, I would love to get one for April, but like right now, I have other priorities. I'm sorry, April. Shopping and finally caffeinating. Your girl needed this. Well, ladies, gents, and non-binary friends, here I am with the one and only, hey!
What is going on, everybody? Welcome to this video. We are out here hanging out at the Grove today, having ourselves a grand old time, you know, hanging out outside of the movie theater, pretending that Endgame isn't going on right in front of us, that we could all be watching it right now, but instead we're standing out in the cold. But
it's because we all love you. So.
Oh, stop. I love you so much. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having this. Yes. The fact that it's two Boston girls who are both in LA at the same time and
it's so
in LA.
Yeah,
honestly.
Right? Like, why are we all the way over here? This should be a thing in Boston. But you know, I
mean, that's your doing.
I know. Whatever. It happens, but I love it. I love it.
So, guess who else is here?
Hi.
going to see Avengers.
I'm sorry that we've all like crashed your day with your kids. I feel so bad.
Did you see Avengers yet?
No, I'm supposed to go see it tomorrow. Try to tell me that Jake isn't the most adorable thing you've seen.
Hey, what's up? We're at the Grove, just chilling. Jason Nash just like walked by. Don't know why, but like whatever. Kind of interrupting me, but like whatever. Yeah. How are you liking LA? Do you love it?
I love it.
She loves it.
I love it.
We need to get you here so we can party.
Well, I told them I'll be out here in about 10 months.
Yes, 10 months.
He was like, oh, it's
Just
a
wait.
countdown.
It's a countdown. Get ready, baby.
We decided to get ice cream. Say hi to Aly. I'll link her channel down below too. We met her today in line.
I'm like a new friend. He's amazing.
And Halo Top, I got the vegan one because I love the fact they have vegan ice cream. Aly, what'd you get?
I get the just regular cookies and cream.
Ooh. And Katie, tell them all about yours.
I got the dragon egg sundae because I am not ready for Sunday's episode.
So,
This episode's gonna be rough, y'all.
she's talking about Game of Thrones
If you couldn't
for
already
those
tell.
who are not aware. So what are these supposed dragon eggs?
Yeah, they're donut. Yeah, they're donut holes covered with colored sugar, and they're supposed to be the dragon eggs.
They're munchkins.
Yep, they munchkins.
For those of you not from New England, they're munchkins.
Munchkins, Timbits if you're from Canada or Buffalo area. Yeah.
This is my face when she says that.
Yeah.
No, we don't reference Tim Hortons. We don't.
I
They
didn't
screwed
know
me
that.
over. I told you what they said to me when I was in Canada visiting Lindsay, right?
No, you never told me this.
They told me that they don't make iced drinks at all. All I wanted was
That
an
is-
ise coffee. They said they don't
That's a
make
lie.
iced drinks
That
at
is
all.
a lie. I've gotten ice
never
drinks
been
there.
there, so I don't know. I've never been there.
They do make ice drinks.
They have their ice
Whoever-
caps,
Yeah.
which is like their
And they have
version of
iced
like a
coffee. I've gotten
frappuccino.
iced coffee before. They lie.
Exactly. So I'm morally opposed to Tim Hortons.
So we just got back to home base. Normally it would be around time for dinner. Either we'd go somewhere or we would order Postmates, but I'm actually about to head out to the hookah lounge. So yeah, hookah time. All right guys, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell to turn on notifications, because if you don't, we all know how broken YouTube is and that it'll never let you know that I upload otherwise. Make sure to give a video a thumbs up, leave a comment, all that fun stuff. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold. So cold.